Seven stocks now make up more of the S&P 500 than the entire crypto market is worth, and most altcoin holders have no idea what that actually means for their bags. Welcome back to AI Coin Daily. Today we are talking about the AI bubble, tech sector concentration in 2026, and the very quiet correlation breakdown happening between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the Nasdaq right now. Let us get into it. First, the setup. The Magnificent Seven, basically the AI-exposed megacaps, are sitting at a historically extreme weighting inside the index. When a handful of names drives that much of the tape, any disappointment, any guidance miss, any GPU demand wobble gets amplified. That is concentration risk, and it is not theory, it is just math. Now overlay crypto. For most of the last cycle, Bitcoin traded like a high beta Nasdaq proxy. Risk on, BTC pumps. Risk off, BTC dumps harder. But over the last several weeks, something interesting has been happening on the charts. On certain sessions, tech sells off and Bitcoin barely flinches. On others, Ethereum actually leads while AI names bleed. The 30-day rolling correlation between BTC and the Nasdaq has been compressing, and the BTC ETH ratio itself is rotating in a way that historically front-runs altcoin strength. So here is the scenario nobody wants to map out. If the AI bubble actually deflates, you get two paths. Path 1, classic contagion. Liquidity gets sucked out of every risk asset, leveraged crypto longs get flushed, and altcoins take the worst of it because they are the highest beta thing on the screen. Path 2. The decoupling narrative finally has its moment. Capital rotating out of overcrowded AI trades looks for the next asymmetric bet, and a chunk of it lands in Bitcoin as a non-sovereign hedge, then bleeds down the risk curve into ETH and majors. Which path are we on? Honestly, the tape has not picked yet, but the tell I am watching is simple. If BTC holds its range while the Nasdaq breaks a key weekly support, that is your decoupling signal. If they break together, assume contagion and respect cash. A few things to keep on your radar this week. Watch megacap tech earnings reactions, watch Bitcoin dominance, and watch the ETH BTC chart because rotation almost always shows up there first. Manage your risk, size positions you can actually sleep with, and do not confuse a narrative with a trade plan. If this breakdown helped you, do me one favor. Drop the altcoin you are watching for this rotation in the comments so we can track it together. See you tomorrow.